press pause and answer the question.
All right, we're looking at the same data set, and we're going to ask this question. We're saying, according to the table, an in-state student at a public college, a four-year college, pays approximately what percentage of a student at a private institution, assuming no financial aid, no grants? And I know that's a big assumption because some private universities are pretty generous with their financial aid and their grants. But if we're looking just at the sticker price, what percentage does a public school student pay versus a private school student in-state? All right, public school in-state, there's usually no benefit to being in-state for a private school. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at those two numbers. So 2017, and we're looking at the private nonprofit four-year, they're paying $34,740 a year, and the public four-year for an in-state student, which is paying $9,970. So anytime we're talking what percentage is one of another, that just basically means we're going to divide one by the other. So here we're going to take the $9,970 that a public in-state tuition is going to run you, and we're going to go ahead and divide that by the $34,740 that a private university sticker price is going to run you. And when we run that out, the correct answer is going to be this one. It's going to be 29%. Now, again, you need to just kind of for life and certainly for this exam, you need to think about what that means. That means a in-state student at a public institution is going to pay somewhere between a quarter and a third of what the private student is going to pay in tuition.